Hi babes, hi boo-boos, hi darlings, hi guys, and welcome back to another hair tutorial. Let's just get into it. Today's hair is from BoatengXAlipearl. If you've been watching my hair tutorials, we are very much familiar with this brand. I've worked with them a couple of times and not once have they failed me. So we're back again. I need to put this wig on in like 30 minutes. I have an event today. Before I show you the wig, let me show you what came in the box. Wig cup as always, edge band, lashes, edge brush / comb. I like these ones. You can use the other end for your glue, and then a bag as well. Today's hair is 20 inches. It's a 13x4 lace front wig. It's HD lace, as you can see. BoatengXAlipearl's hair is really good. I remember it being really oh hell yeah. Look at that plucking. Are you kidding? Do you see it? Do you see that part and you see how far it goes? No, it's the plucking for me. Please look at this lace. Do you see that? Perfectly blocked. I know you see this. I know you see this. It's a true 13x4. See the inside? You have an elastic band, an adjustable one, a non-slip grip, so it's not going anywhere. And it has about 3 combs in there. And the hair itself, let's throw this on. We can't waste any time. We can't waste any time with this. I haven't done the bulk cup method in a minute, but I did it and just took down the wig. So,
Baby, you could keep me going, 'cause you've been everywhere. Let me take up all the love you're showing. I need it more than air. And you know that I've been suffocating. You could be the one to help, but my issues are nauseating. I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, 'cause in another world you come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind, driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind. Baby, you could keep me happy, but you've been on the road. Oh, I've never needed love so badly. I'm feeling so alone. And you know that I've been often dreaming of having you around. But my life is so complicated, I don't wanna bring you down. I just wanna be free from the freak and feel love for the first time. I just wanna love something about me, see something to open my eyes. Don't wanna be the only one with a house key, have something I'm proud of. I wish we were living in my dreams, 'cause in another world you come with me and we'd be out of sight, out of mind, driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind, when I'm dreaming of you here for me. Out of sight, out of mind, driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, when I dream I'm never lonely. Out of sight, out of mind, driving windows down with your hand in mine. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, driving windows down, we could take our time. Out of sight, out of mind, out of sight, out of mind, out of mind. You call me to say that my songs just hit the way that you'd hope for, and I know that you're listening in the car on the way home. And I would never intrude, but do you think he'd be cool Sometimes you gotta break the rules. Honey, you know I do shit for real. I know you got a boyfriend, but baby, tell me, is that for real? Play all my music like I'm him, makes me wonder how he feels when he hears my voice singing all the time. Got my lyrics memorized. Baby, tell me, is that for real? Is that for real? Is that for real? You're asking me to write a song for you. Well, I guess you could count this. Does it work for you? I'm not pressed, I'm just romancing, it's a pastime. She said I'm good with my words, and it's the reason this works. You call me 4 times, baby, what's this about? Just to say some nice things, well, let it all out. She said, oh, you do this shit for real. I know you got a boyfriend, baby, tell me, is that for real? Play all my music like I'm him, makes me wonder how he feels when he hears my voice singing all the time. Got my lyrics memorized. Baby, tell me, is that for real? Is that for real? Is that for real? I know you got a boyfriend, baby, tell me, is that for real? You play all my music like I'm him, makes me wonder how he feels when he hears my voice singing all the time. Got my lyrics memorized. Baby, tell me, hey, is that for real? Is that for real? Is that for real? Is that for real?
We're done. It looks freaking good. I am definitely ready to step out now. Pros, beautiful. Lace, soft, beautiful. Truly 13x4, came pre-plugged, pre-bleached, pre-everything. All you gotta do is install this wig. Love it. The hair itself, like, come on. Do I need to say more? Pretty soft. I don't have any cons. I love Alipearl's hair. I do want to say a big thank you to Alipearl for sending me this wig. Looks good, looks beautiful. I love it. All the details about the hair is going to be in my description as usual, and if there's a discount code, that's where you're going to find it as well. And thank you guys for watching the video to this point, actually finishing it. You're the best. I will see you guys on another video. Love you.